So this is me again. This is me again, Mr. R with the Children's Art Club. Now we are now in the progress on making the 3D airplane made by popsicle stick like this kind of things. And this is the second session, which is we're going to listen up what that our participant will present about their work. Okay. So after this, we're going to see and watch every kids will present their work. You will see that you will witness that they are so creative and they will try one by one to present their work. And yeah, this is my favorite moment when I will be sit down still to listen up what the kids will talk about their artwork later on. Okay, guys, I think we will need like one more session. So I'm going to give you this session for making the new airplane. Ya, kalian harus bikin satu lagi airplane. Ares itu keren banget, tapi misal nggak puas, Ares harus buat yang beda lagi dari yang ini. Ya.
Mr. Al. That's not me.
Vio, sorry. Sorry.
Mr. Al.
Ya.
Ares mau IX dulu.
Siapa? Iya, Kakak Aris mau IX dulu, nggak apa-apa. Niko gimana? Coba lihat. House. Wow, that's cool. Keren. Itu baru satu ya?
Ya.
Ayo, Niko masih ada nggak popsicle stick-nya? Masih ada banyak. Ayo, kita mau tantang Niko untuk wow, video banyak banget. Dia buat besok ya, buat hari Kamis kita mau bikin building. Niko satu lagi, misalnya mau lihat Niko buat satu lagi, tapi yang beda dari yang ini. Ya, Niko boleh search di Google dulu, terus ya, boleh search di Google, terus copy idea-nya, steal the idea, but don't copy paste. Jason, how is it? Ivo, have you created your airplane? Can I see your airplane, please? All right, this one is Jason's airplane and Ivo airplane. Wow, so cool. Do you still have the popsicle stick with you? Okay, if you still have a lot, can you make one more, please? But different with this one. This is too old school. I don't really like it. I want you to get it more creative, okay? Come on, Jason. And one more. Yes, Vio.
Bikinnya bebas.
Bebas. This time, free style. You can use your own imagination. Yeah, if you still have a lot of popsicle stick with you, I want to challenge you to make one more airplane like this, but make it more better, more improvement. And I want you to make it more. Right, it's time for you to using your imagination. As you can see that Mr. Al's airplane is too old, Mr. Al. This one is not really good. I don't like yours. I like mine. Yeah. Now this is your time to prove it to me that you can make even better than me. Okay. Some of them, like Alia, already made a very nice work, and Ivanka, and Jason, and really impressive. They create a very nice airplane, yeah. Jason, Angela, and Ivo, I'm still waiting for your next airplane. Jason and Ivo, I'm still waiting for your own creation. I want you to sit down again and working for making one more airplane, but different with this kind of thing, okay? Use your own imagination. And Nico juga, I'm waiting for Nico to make your own. Work with your tools. Work like scientist, like engineer, like an artist. And Tri Aryadi, Aleta ya. Siapa? Oh ya, Aleta. How is it? Hi, Aleta. How are you today? Good?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, I'm so happy to see your face. You have a very nice shirt. Tosca ya.
Kamu bilang Mr. A bikin kayak gini.
Ya, Aleta bagus banget, dia lagi kerja di
Mr. A.
Ya.
Kemarin aku bikin tempat handphone.
Wah, keren banget. Bikin apa itu? Tempat handphone ya?
Iya.
Kamu keren banget. Kreatif banget. Keren banget. Jadi jangan nunggu Mr. Ali ya. Yo, and semuanya Nico juga. Ya, ini popsicle stick ini benda yang ajaib. Kita bisa buat apapun menggunakan ini ya. Tempat handphone, tempat charger, bisa bikin bingkai juga untuk nempelin sesuatu. Terus bisa buat tempat.
Mr. A bikin ini.
Itu juga keren. Coba lihat, nah itu dari mana belajarnya, Vio? Where you learn that?
Bikin sendiri.
You make it by yourself? Okay, for Vio, I don't want you to speak Bahasa because you are taking a course on the EF, right? I want you to always speak in English. Okay, Vio, please try to express yourself in English always because you spend a lot of money to get course in some of the EF, I think English first. So I want you to prove your English so that it will be improved a lot, and I hope that you can speak better later on. Ares and Vio, from now on, I want you to speak English always. And Ruth also already speak English. Good job. Devanka also, please speak English. Devanka and Abia. And Aleta, I know that Aleta is good also in speaking English. So later when you are doing a presentation, I want you to speak well in English. Ivo also and Jason, I want you to speak English after this one. Okay. Ivo, how is it? You create one new airplane? Ivo, sudah buat satu lagi? Belum? Belum. Ivo, I want you to make one more airplane, please. Can you? Do you still have your popsicle stick? Masih ada nggak popsicle sticknya, es krim sticknya? Habis ya, kalau habis nggak apa-apa, nggak usah buat lagi. Oke. Siapa lagi sebelahnya Aleta ada Tri Aryadi, siapa namanya anaknya lupa. Mr. Al.
Ini siapa yang
Bukan, Tri Aryadi ini siapa namanya adik kita yang rambutnya panjang?
Bukan. Sri Aryani.
Ya. Tri Aryadi. Kalau Ruth kan Aryani Urastari, Ibu Aryani. Kalau Tri Aryadi siapa ya? Mister aja jadi nggak tahu namanya. Oh, Ansel and Alice. Siapa lagi ya? Tori, gimana Tori? How is it?
Great.
Yeah. So Devanka, you are creating the second airplane. You have to make it more different, yeah, with the first one.
The basic one I copy, but the decoration I don't.
Oh, I know now. Leandra. Yeah. Hi, Leandra. I'm sorry, I just forgot your name. I know that Leandra is also from Beograd, Serbia ya. Di sana pagi-pagi ya. Ayo, Jason and Ivo, I want you to make a new one. Yes, good job. You can steal the idea from the internet. And Ansel and Alice, can you please open your camera, please? I want to see how you're working with your airplane. Tori and Rachel, don't forget to make a new one, and then we're going to present your work on the next session. So we're going to use this Zoom for one more session, yeah? Mommy and Daddy, please help your child to log in again. I think we need 3 sessions for this kind of things. Aleta, how is it? Do you have any problem when you are doing it?
Still planning, Mister.
Yeah, I like to see that the mommy and the kids are working together. This is a very happy moment for us ya. Saya senang banget lihat maminya kerja sama anak. Ini pandemic make us more closer with our kids. And it is a very happy moment for us. Misal tiap hari di rumah terus pusing kepalanya. I want to go to school. Yeah, this is so hard. I just explain it using my mouth, using my instruction. I actually need to sit down with the kids and then work with them. Misalnya udah stres, habis ini paling keluar, terus main sama Devanka lari-larian naik sepeda sampai kulitnya angus hitam. Nanti besok begitu lagi, bangun pagi lagi, ketemu anaknya lagi. That's so stress actually, to be honest. Yeah, good job, Ruth. Yeah, nice. So you have 2 now or 1? You have 1, but another one is on progress. Yay! Yeah, the second one, Ruth, please make it different with the first one. Yeah, for example, you put something on the top of the wings, like this.
But my mom is making another aeroplane, so
yeah. Are you like it?
Yeah, and look at my aeroplane.
Yeah,
It's
that's
the same.
cool. Wow, you have a very tall tail, yeah, at the back. My goodness, so cool. Ansel and Alice, gimana? Kalian udah buat berapa biji? Berapa buah pesawat? Udah buat berapa? Wah, itu Ansel keren banget. Beda loh. Oke, good job Ansel and Alice. Nanti kalian harus buat 2 ya hari ini. Kalau masih ada waktu boleh buat 3 sampai 5. Terserah kalian. Ini fun banget. Misal kalau ya. Halo.
So this is the circus aeroplane.
Yeah. I like your idea, Ruth. That is so cool. I like it. I wish that you become one of my students, or yeah, you sit down with me, and yeah, that will be so fun then, because we can do a lot of things in the art class. Ya, Ansel and Alice juga lagi kerja, Leandra juga sudah mulai buat, sudah mulai selesai. Aleta kayaknya udah buat 1 prototype.
1 karena popsicle-nya nggak cukup.
Oh ya, nggak apa-apa. Kalau nggak cukup 1 aja nggak apa-apa. 1 unit aja ya.
Oke.
Nggak apa-apa. Ansel and Alice, siap-siap after this one. Kita mau login lagi sekali lagi Zoom-nya. Dan kita akan mendengarkan teman-teman di sini untuk presentasi. Kalau sudah dengerin, misalnya sih saranin kalian jangan leave chat dulu, jangan leave video dulu, jangan keluar dari Zoom dulu, karena kalian harus mendengarkan yang lain, belajar mendengarkan konsep dari teman yang lain, dan biasanya kita dapat ide banyak dari mendengarkan teman-teman yang lain. Ya, nanti kalau besok mau ikutan hari Kamis, kita ada session terakhir untuk holiday program ini, karena Agustus atau Juli sebagian udah mulai masuk sekolah, jadi misal kasih kesempatan kalian untuk belajar bersama dengan guru sekolahnya, jadi nggak usah pusing masalah art. Nanti kita bikin kegiatan lagi di lain waktu, mungkin kita cari timing yang tepat supaya semuanya masih bisa belajar art nanti. Ya, Oke, kalau sudah, siapa yang mau presentasi? Who wants to present your work? Oh, Ruth first. Okay, Ruth, come on. You can be the first one, Ruth. Okay, everyone, please put some attention to Ruth. Come on, Ruth. Share.
Okay, wait.
Louder, please.
Well, I made this aeroplane, and well, there's 2 sticks of apa ya?
It's okay. Just relax.
And there is like
Tail.
a tail. Yeah, you're right, a tail. And your feet just like that.
Yeah.
And
Are you happy with your airplane?
yes,
Can you make it by yourself again next time?
yes.
Yeah, cool. Do you have a name for your airplane?
I don't know.
Maybe like Boeing 150, cool thingy, jiggy, like that.
What?
No, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, by the way, Ruth, I like your airplane and I'm so happy that you can make it together with your mommy. And now I think you can play it. Yeah? You can modify, you can color your airplane, your popsicle stick.
But it's sticky.
Yeah, it's a bit sticky. It's okay. It's normal because we are working with the glue. Do you want to say anything again, please?
Thank
You have something to say again? No? Enough? All right, thank you then. We're going to give some moment for Jason and Evo. Wait, yeah. Jason and Evo first, guys. Wait. I'm going to find Jason and Evo first. Where's Jason and Evo? Oh, this one. Okay, Jason and Evo, I'm going to pin you out first and then you can talk now. Ready, 1, 2, go. Who wants to be the first one?
I have 2 airplanes. So this is my first airplane. This looks like a yacht because I stack so many of them and put them at the back. Also, I make some decorations here.
Wow,
here,
cool.
Here.
Yeah.
Also, I put the back here. This. And the second one looks like this.
Wow, I like the second one. That looks so cool with the 2 double wings and then the tail are so simple. And you know what? The body are so slim. That is possible for that airplane to go faster than the previous one because the previous one is too thick, right? Too fat. This one is so slim. I like it. Do you have anything? Yes?
For many passengers, and this one is only for some passengers.
Oh, that one is only for like commercial passengers, and this one is only like private airplane like that. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
Jason, can you mention 3 things that you learned from this lesson?
I learned about how to make airplanes.
Okay.
I learned about how to stick stuff and how to design.
How to design your own, yeah. Do you have 2 more maybe? Things that you learned?
Making decorations.
Decoration, good job, yeah.
And no, there's no more.
Okay, then it's okay. If you don't have any idea about the last part, it's okay. Maybe you can find it at the end of the lesson later on. So now, Evo, yang tadi senyum-senyum aja, silakan.
No, I'm not yet.
You're not yet done?
No, not yet.
Evo, you have a very nice smiling face, you know. Your smile is so cute.
Thank you.
Yeah, like my
Because
daughter.
I am the tallest.
Yeah, I know. Okay, after this, I want you to present, okay? Are you ready or you need some time?
need some time.
Okay, I'm going to give you
I think it's my
yeah,
second
your
airplane.
turn maybe later after you're done. Yeah. Next, who wants to be the next one? Tori, are you ready? Okay, now we have to listen up Tori first. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, go! Yay!
This is my first plane.
Mm-mm.
First, I make the body, and then I make the wings, and then I make the tail, and then I make the window with markers, and then it's done.
Okay, where is your second one?
Here.
Wow, cool. Can you share us how to make it?
Yes.
Okay.
First, I need 3 sticks, and then glue it, and then I need to stick for the top here, and then the down, and then I need the tail like this.
Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Can you share us 5 things that you learned from these activities? 5 things, yay! First, you learn about?
How to make airplanes
Popsicle stick.
from sticks.
Okay, second one will be?
How to use glue.
Oh, how to use glue? Yeah, it's a good knowledge also. 3, one. You learn how to draw the windows.
Yes.
Okay, the fourth one will be? You learn how to what?
I don't know.
You learn how to decorate your work. Okay, the last one, the fifth one. Ayo, terakhir Tori belajar apa? Menurut Tori, do you think? You learn how to be patient. You learn how to be focused or what?
How to be patient.
Yeah, okay, good. I think you agree with me that we need to be more patient and focus on what we're doing, on what we're working, yeah. Thank you so much, Tori. And then the last, Rachel. Ayo. I need you to present your work.
This is my first airplane.
Wow.
First, I make the wings, the tail, the face, the body.
Yeah.
And then this is my second plane. I make my name and the tail, the wings, the face, the body, and then already done.
Okay, did you create this, 2 airplanes?
Yes.
Okay, are you happy with that, Rachel?
Yeah.
What is the thing that you learned? 3 things that you learned. Please share with us.
Make airplanes.
First, you learn about how to make airplane using popsicle stick. The second one?
Use glue.
What?
How to glue.
How to stick the airplane, the popsicle stick.
Yeah.
The third one, the last one, come on.
Yeah.
You learn about?
How to use glue. How to use glue.
Okay, how to use glue. Yeah, I agree with you that Uhu glue is a little bit more challenging. If you don't know how to use it, your hand will be full of glue and it will be so sticky then. I think you learned a lot from the Uhu glue. Thank you so much, Rachel and Tori. Now you can have a rest. Then we're going to give this opportunity for those who wants to be the next presenter. Ansel and Alice sudah siap mau present? Leandra sudah siap? Oh, Ivo dulu ya. Kayaknya Ivo udah siap. Okay, I'm going to give this moment to Ivo. Come on, Ivo. Ready, 1, 2, go.
So I want to make one aeroplane. So here is my aeroplane with decorations. Here is this one with a silver color. And here is this. And I put some glue and I color it. And I put some decorations. And at the bottom there is some beautiful decorations with my marker.
Okay, good.
And I make the wings, and this, you cannot see the window because it's inside.
Okay. Where is your second one?
I don't want to build it.
Okay. Are you happy with your airplane, Ivo?
Yes.
Can you mention 3 things that you learned from your lesson today? First,
I learned how to make an aeroplane made out of popsicle sticks.
good job. Okay, the second one, you learned about what?
I learned about gluing the popsicle sticks together to make an aeroplane.
Yes, gluing is also knowledge how we get it from this lesson. The third one, the last one. Come on, Ivo.
And then my mom helped me so I can do it.
So you learn to work with your mommy?
Yes.
Yeah, that is a good point also, yeah. So we learn also to work with our mommy or with adult supervision so that everything will be so cool. You are a very good team. Thank you, Jason and Ivo. Thank you so much. You can have a rest now. We're going to give another session for another person here who wants to present the work. Okay, who wants to be the next one? You're welcome, Ivo. Keep on doing creative things, okay?
I will make the next aeroplane.
Yeah. I'm waiting for that. If you already make your own, please share your photos to...
I'm gonna make it at my room.
Yeah, you can go to your room now and you can make it. Thank you so much, Ivo. Next will be Adrian. And Ansel and Alice will be the next one. Kita ke Adrian dulu. Okay, Adrian, are you ready now? Adrian udah siap? Boleh pakai bahasa kalau nggak bisa Inggris.
Ini.
1, 2, 3.
Ada angkanya.
Ayo.
5, 1, 5.
Oh, 15. Itu nama itunya ya,
5,
nama.
1, 5.
Oke, nama pesawatnya 515. Gimana cara buatnya ya?
Ini. Pertama ini di sini. Harus dipanjangin moncongnya di sini. Pertama moncongnya.
Iya.
Terus sayapnya. Terus ada sayapnya lagi di atas. Terus buntutnya. Terus harus ada tiangnya kalau mau sayapnya di sana. Terus dikasih angka 515, 515, 515, 515, 515, 515, 515.
Wah, keren banget itu. Adrian bikin 1 atau 2?
1.
1 ya. Wah, seneng nggak?
Iya.
Dari pelajaran ini apa yang Adrian dapetin? Apa yang Adrian pelajari? Apa yang Adrian dapat dari pelajaran ini? Misalnya aku belajar tentang membuat pesawat Mr. Al dari es krim stick gitu. Ayo, apa yang Adrian dapat dari pelajaran ini?
Dapat. Yang dapat dari pesawat dari
Adrian belajar menempel-nempelin stick ya.
Iya, dari es krim stick.
Iya, Adrian juga belajar mendekorasi pesawatnya ya.
Iya.
Adrian belajar sabar nggak?
Iya.
Kalau kita nggak sabar, bisa nggak kita buat pesawat?
Enggak.
Iya, karena kalau nggak sabar nanti patah, dia marah-marah. Aduh, aku nggak selesai-selesai. Iya. Oke deh, makasih ya Adrian. Adrian boleh bikin lagi. Hari Kamis kita akan buat bangunan menggunakan popsicle stick. Adrian harus siapin mungkin 2 pak lagi atau 3 pak lagi. Terima kasih Adrian.
Ya.
Bikin lagi ya, nanti share ke Mr. Al di foto pesawatnya. Biar Mr. Al bisa lihat. Terima kasih Adrian. Next will be, who wants to be the next one? Maybe Nico. Nico, you want to be the next one? Or Ansel? Come on, raise your hand if you want to present your work. Okay, Ansel first. After this, Nico. Nico siap-siap ya. Ansel dulu. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Ini pesawat tempur. Ini tembakannya.
Ya. Gimana cara buatnya pertama-tama?
Pertama, bikin sayapnya dulu. Sama bawah di sebelah sini. Terus ininya dibikin supaya rata, jadi ada kayak gini. Di sebelah sini. Terus ditumpuk-tumpukin aja, jadi kayak gini.
Tumpukin ya. Kamu dapat idenya dari mana, Ansel?
Cuman bikin-bikin sendiri.
Bikin-bikin sendiri ya. Wah, keren banget ini. Beda sama yang lain. Ya. Kamu bikin 1 atau 2?
Bikin 1.
Oh, nggak apa-apa. Ya, nanti next time kalau mau bikin lagi juga nggak apa-apa. Misal bagus banget, misal appreciate banget, misal kasih 2 jempol buat Ansel karena pesawatnya beda dan bagus banget itu. Adrian happy nggak sama pesawatnya? Suka nggak?
Ansel, Mister.
Ya, Ansel suka nggak sama pesawatnya?
Suka.
Suka banget ya. Apa yang Ansel pelajari dari kegiatan ini?
Sabar.
Sabar.
Cara bikin dari stick ini.
Ya, terus apa lagi?
Terus belajar kreatif juga.
Belajar kreatif ya, benar karena pesawat kamu memang beda, kamu sangat kreatif. Ada lagi mungkin 2 lagi supaya melengkapi 5 hal yang kamu pelajarin. Apalagi yang kamu pelajarin? Kamu harus apa? Fokus. Ayo nggak apa-apa, tanya Mami juga nggak apa-apa.
Soalnya guntingnya susah.
Oh, cara kamu belajar juga cara mengguntingnya ya. Ternyata ada teknik ya sendiri ya untuk motong ya. Kamu belajar cara menggunting. Ada lagi terakhir 1 lagi yang kamu pelajarin hari ini? Apa? Untuk jadi lebih kreatif atau nggak ada? Nggak apa-apa kalau nggak ada. It's okay, Mr. I will not force you. Misalnya nggak akan paksa kamu untuk berpikir ya. Mungkin nanti ketemu, oh iya Mr. aku hari kemarin aku belajar tentang ini. Kamu boleh tunjukkan lagi nanti. Ya?
Belajar fokus.
Ya, belajar fokus untuk buat itu. Kalau kita nggak fokus, kita bisa nggak bikin pesawat seperti itu?
Enggak.
Ya, oke. Sekarang sudah terjawab. Terima kasih, Ansel. Alice-nya mana? Tadi Alice sudah ya atau belum? Alice mau present? Mau share?
Ya.
Oke. Kakak Niko sabar ya. Alice dulu ya. Sabar sebentar. Alice, silakan Alice.
Ini pesawat angsa.
Ya, terus?
Ini jendelanya.
Iya. Kamu buat jendelanya pakai apa?
Spidol.
Spidol ya. Terus tunjukin lagi apa lagi yang kamu buat?
Ini.
Ya. Susah nggak nempelin buntutnya?
Apa?
Susah nggak nempel buntutnya?
Susah.
Susah banget ya. Itu Alice bikin sendiri apa dibantu sama mama?
dibantu guntingnya.
Ya, dibantu guntingnya, lalu Elis tempel sendiri ya. Elis senang nggak sama pesawat buatan Elis sendiri? Senang banget ya. Elis tahu nggak Elis belajar apa sih hari ini? Pertama, Elis ngapain? Belajar apa? Elis belajar nempel-nempelin stick. Ayo, nggak apa-apa. Misal tunggu. Ya? Sabar.
Belajar
Sabar. Ya, betul. Ada lagi? Ayo, belajar apa?
bisa bikin-bikin.
Ya, belajar bisa bikin-bikin sesuatu pakai stick es krim. Ada lagi? Mungkin belajar yang lain lagi? Belajar menggambar jendela pesawat?
Ya.
Ya, oke. Thank you ya, Elis. Bagus banget punya kamu. Keren banget. Ya, terima kasih. Sampai ketemu lagi, Elis. Oke, sekarang kita cuma punya waktu berapa nih? 4 menit. Niko mau present? 4 menit, silakan Niko. 1, 2, 3, go. Niko nggak kedengeran ya.
Ini pesawatku.
Ya.
Pertama aku membuat badan dan sayapnya. Lalu aku membuat buntutnya dan sayap buntutnya agar dia bisa seimbang. Dan aku juga menumpuk semua stick es krimnya.
Ya.
Dan aku menempelnya.
Pakai apa?
Menggunakan lem.
Menggunakan lem ya. Oke. Terus yang satu lagi mana kamu buat? Nah, apa yang membedakan yang pertama dengan yang ini?
Kalau ini sayapnya, kalau ini ada garis-garisnya.
Wah, keren banget tuh. Double wings.
Dan dan ada sayapnya di atas bawah gitu.
Mana yang paling kamu suka dari dua-dua itu?
Ini.
Kenapa kamu suka itu?
Nah, lebih bisa banyak orangnya.
Lebih keren ya. Misalnya juga suka sama yang kedua, itu keren banget, itu ide kamu dan itu keren banget. Makasih banget Niko. Niko, coba sebutin dong 5 hal yang Niko pelajarin hari ini.
Sabar, fokus,
kerjasama,
membuat pesawat dari stick es krim.
Terus apa lagi?
Belajar
dekorasi enggak? Di dekorasi enggak itu? Enggak.
Di dekorasi.
Okay. Aku mau challenge Niko 3 lagi. Apalagi yang Niko pelajarin 3 lagi?
Hitungan matematika,
hitungan matematika ya. Jadi perlu dianalisa ini berapa, misalnya panjangnya gitu ya. Oke, ada lagi 2 lagi, teman.
Belajar buntutnya.
Ya, sama.
Belajar sayapnya pesawat.
Wah, keren banget. Thank you banget, Niko. Makasih banget, Mr. Al kasih 2 jempol. Keren banget buat Niko. Terus bikin lagi aja di rumah kalau lagi bengong atau lagi selesai belajar dan mengisi waktu luang, boleh Niko bikin lagi yang keren lagi dari ini. Dan kirim fotonya ke Mr. Al biar Mr. Al bisa lihat dan kasih penilaian. Terima kasih buat teman-teman yang belum present, silakan login lagi sekali lagi untuk bisa present ya. Siapa lagi yang belum ya? Ada Kakak Leandra, Aleta, Devanka, Abia, sama
Diwarnai
ya,
dari jendela.
ya,
Mister, harus lagi atau enggak?
ya. Ansel,
Harus login enggak?
Ansel kalau mau login silakan, kalau enggak juga nggak apa-apa karena Ansel sudah present tadi. Kalau mau dengerin yang lain, Ansel boleh login lagi.